Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haqoe, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 5. Our today's topic is chapter 5, CBQ 3. This question I will solve in this class. Okay dear students, let us see the question. Chapter 5, CBQ 3. 60 kg rice, 40 kg flour and 32 kg pulse are bought for distributing among some flood affected families. First question A. What is the largest number of families among whom rice and flour can be divided equally? Question B. What is the largest number of families among whom rice, pulse and flour can be divided equally? Question C. If the quantity of pulse is having 12 kg less, then what is the largest number of families among whom rice, pulse and flour can be divided equally? This question I have to solve now. Dear students, I will write solution here. At first I have to write question A. Dear students, to solve question A, at first we have to understand the question, what information is given and what we have to do here. Okay, now see, 60 kg rice, 40 kg flour and 32 kg pulse are given and we have to find out the number of families. What is the largest number of families? We have to find the largest number of families among whom rice and flour can be divided equally. It means rice and flour. Here 60 kg rice and 40 kg flour is given. We have to distribute this rice and flour among some families. In this case, we have to find the largest number of families. Dear students, you have to remember that when you have to find the largest number or greatest number, in that case, you have to do the HCF. You have to do the HCF. Okay, dear students, let us solve the question. At first, write the given information. Amount of rice given. What is given here? Amount of rice. Amount of rice is 60 kg. Amount of, we need rice and flour, so we have to see here 40 kg is flour. Amount of flour is 40 kg. Okay dear students, it means that we have to do the HCF of 60 and 40 to get the required largest number of families. To do this, we have to write here the required largest number of family, the required largest number of families will be the HCF of 60 and 40. Okay dear students, let us do the HCF. Dear students, you know some methods of HCF. I will follow the short method. Now I will do the HCF. Now 60, 40. Both the numbers are even here and our smallest prime number is 2. So we can divide by 2. As these two numbers are even, we can divide by 2. If we divide by 2, we will get 30, 20. Again, these two numbers are even, so we can check again by 2. This will be 15 and 10. Now, this is not divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. We have to take the number which can divide all the numbers when we will do the HCF. So, we have to consider here if we consider 3, 3 can divide 15, but 10 is not divisible by 3. So we can consider 3. So we have to consider after 3, prime number is 5. 5 can divide both the numbers. So we will get 3 here and 2 here. Now, when we will do the HCF, we have to remember that just we have to take the prime factors, common prime factors which are taken in the left side of this solution of this technique. We have to take the product of these factors, only these factors 2, 2 and 5. Dear students, you know the method. So you can write the HCF. The HCF of 60 and 40 is, or we can write 2 to 5. It means that 20. Therefore, the required number of families is 20. Required number of families is 20. Therefore, the required number of families is 20. So our answer is 20 families. This is our solution of question A. Dear students, I hope you have understood this solution, and if you can understand this solution, you can understand the solution of B. Just you have seen here only rice and flour, but you have to distribute here rice, pulse and flour. It means that all the items, all the 3 items here given, we have to distribute these 3 items in the same process. Okay, dear students, let us solve question B. Solution of question B. To solve the question B, we have to write the given information. So we can write here given. What is given here? We need here rice, pulse and flour. So we can write here 60 kg rice, 40 kg flour and 32 kg pulses. So we can write here given amount of rice. Amount of rice is 60 kg. Amount of rice, flour is 40 kg and amount of pulses is 32 kg. Dear students, now as we have to find the largest number of families here, see the question, largest number of families, and here is also largest number of families. It means that we have to do the HCF of these 3, then we will get the required largest number of families. Okay, dear students, so I can write the required largest number of families will be the HCF of 60, 40 and 32. Now do the HCF 60, 40 and 32. As all the numbers are even, we have to take here 2. If we divide by 2, we will get here 30, 20 and 16. Again we can take 2 as all the numbers are even. So we will get 15, now 10 and 8 here. Dear students, now see here 15 is not even, 15 is odd, so we can take 2. If we consider 3, now 15 is divisible by 3, but 10 and 8 is not divisible by 3. So we can consider 5. If we consider 5, 15 and 10 is divisible by 5, but 8 is not divisible by 5. So we can say 15, 10 and 8 has no common prime factor. So we can proceed more. So we have to write the, therefore the HCF of 60, 40 and 32 equal to product of 2 and 2 means 4. Therefore, the required number of families is 4. Therefore, the required number of families is 4. Therefore, the required number of families is 4. So, answer of question B is 4 families. Dear students, I hope you have understood solution of question B. Now I have to solve question C. Okay, dear students, let us question C. What is question C? Question C is, if the quantity of pulse is having 12 kg less, it means that the quantity of pulse, we have to subtract 12 kg from the given quantity 32 kg. We will get the quantity of pulse for question C. So we can write at first, then we have to complete the question. Then what is the largest number of families? Again we have to find the largest number of families. It means that again we have to do the HCF. But before that we have to subtract 12 kg from 32 kg to find the amount of pulse. Okay, dear students, now see question C given. What is given here? Write the given information. Amount of rice is 60 kg. Amount of flour is 40 kg and amount of pulse is 32 kg. Okay, dear students, now as pulse is 12 kg less, so you can write as pulse is 12 kg less. So, amount of pulse will be, we have to subtract 12 from 32 kg. It means that this will be, if we subtract, we will get here 20 kg. It means that we have to distribute 60 kg rice, 40 kg flour and 20 kg pulse among some flood affected families, and as we need to find the largest number of families, so we have to do the HCF of this 3 amount. So we can write the required largest number of families will be the HCF of 60, 40 and last number is 20. Now we have to do the HCF. Now 60, 40 and 20. We can divide all this number by 2. So we can write here 2, 30, then 20, 10. Now again by 2, 15, 10, 5. Now we can divide by 5. So we'll get here 3, 2 and 1. Dear students, so we'll get the HCF of this number easily. So you can write therefore the HCF. HCF is HCF of 60, 40 and 20 equal to 2, 2 and 5 here. 2, 2 and 5. Product is 20. Okay, dear students, so we can say the required number of families is 20. Therefore, the required number of families is 20. So, answer of question C is 20 families. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Then a question is given for your homework, that is CBQ 1. The question is given here. There are 30 boys and 42 girls in grade 5 at Vidyamala Gopt Primary School. Question A, write the factors of 30 and 42. Dear students, you know how to find out the factors. You have to write the factors of 30 and 42 for question A. Question B, find the maximum number of groups so that the boys and girls can be divided equally. It means that you have to find the maximum number of groups. It means that largest number of groups. It means that you have to do the HCF of 30 and 42 to get the required answer for question B. And question C is, how many boys and girls are there in each group? It means that if you divide the number of boys by the maximum number of groups, you will get the number of boys and girls. If you divide the number of boys and girls by the number of groups, you will get the number of boys and girls in each group. Okay, dear students, do this as your homework. In your homework copy, submit your homework on next Sunday. That's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.